to our part 2 of this uh, A-level ICT revision 2016. As I said, it's a revision, so I'm just trying to brief on the answer possibles. I don't see my answers are wrong, but I say you should take them and think of them. Most of them are correct because I take them from Wikipedia, do researches before coming to give them. I don't just say them from my head, even though that's some I know they are correct. But I want you to just take it like a revision. It's a revision. I'll say there's a revision series. So we revise. So just take the questions and add your definition. ICT is not a subject that you should take and cram or the teacher to cram. The people are good in cram. So we start. Define the following terms of online internet services, giving two examples, two disadvantages, sorry, please, and one ad eh, two advantages and one disadvantage each for the following. E-commerce. E-commerce is simply the use of computers for trading facilities. As easy as that. You have that, you have all your marks. Simple. What are two advantages? First of all, uh, with the use of e-commerce, your product can be easily advertised. That's first advantage. Secondly, there's no barrier limit. When you use the internet to advertise your product, somebody from America, somebody from Holland, from any country, anywhere can see your product. You're not just limited by the country because normally, let's say you advertise your product only on the street. You take a paper and advertise. Your product will only be limited on that street. But using the internet, you are always, you are everywhere. This disadvantage. Okay, everything has a disadvantage. And the sorry for us, the disadvantage is called scam, fraud, because nowadays many people use those internet facilities to slide using eBay and others. So it's fraud and scams. Online banking, e-banking. Sorry, not electronic. I'll give a long definition, but try to keep it. It's an electronic payment system that enables customers of a bank to conduct a range of transactions through the financial institution website. So it is, as I said it, the definition is long, but at least it's good. Okay. This which means that what are the advantages? User does not need again to display before paying, to move before doing transaction on the with the bank. Secondly, user can be able to verify his sold at all the time. You don't need again to go again the bank to do this, to do payment. You don't need to move to verify your account sold. You can do it online. What is the advantage? Credit card hacking. That is what mostly is done on the internet. Some websites are not secure. They don't use HTTPS secured, so therefore they can easily be hacked. Yeah, user credentials can be easily be stolen, therefore making you a vulnerable person to your credentials can be stolen and somebody can be using your credit cards as easy. E-health. Actually, I don't think there's a this they are e-health is a very broad term. I cannot really say, but I'll give a definition. It's a physical and physiological diagnosis and treatment of at a distance. I'll repeat it, a physical and physiological diagnosis and treatment at a distance. Uh, what here? That's it here. So what here? So I'll try people. I hope people understand the definition. So what are the advantages? Patients don't need even to move at home to be diagnosed or to be treated. Secondly, 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 it costs less. Obviously, it costs less because normally it saves time and costs less. It costs less. But disadvantage is what it is less efficient. It is less efficient because uh, you don't go through examinations. Somebody just goes on, the doctor just goes online and tells you do this, take this one. So it's less efficient than to be at a at a hospital where they takes you you go through a series of examination. The doctor can see you physically, and the rest. I can also say there are less certified website for that. So it's difficult to say one. Let's jump into what everybody likes. What is a social network? I'm sure all of you people here are on social networks. Okay, YouTube is also one, so I'm on the social network. Okay, I'll give a basic definition. There are about two. I'll give the first one. A social is a platform amongst people who share similar interests and actions, etc. So a social network is a platform among people that share similar actions, interests, uh, interests, uh, interests, activities, backgrounds, and the rest. Or a dedicated website or application that enable users to communicate with each other by posting comments, information, and credentials as much as that, as easy as that. And I guess that's the best definition. Give two different definition. Gives two advantages of social network. First of all, I would say ease communication. Ease communication. Ease communications. That's one good thing. With social network, you are able to easily communicate with people. Secondly, I would say by easing communication, it saves times. Save times. Yeah, time you had to write a letter. You can just write a message on Facebook and you go faster. Thirdly, and one limitation now is that uh, even though there are social networks, I'll come back to that. Limitation of social network. A limitation. When I think limitation, I guess I'll take it as like an disadvantage. No, but I guess it's not a disadvantage. I think it's what a social network can do. Uh, I will take it in such a way, but I'll also give it disadvantage. And why thank you for the limitation. A social network mm, cause leads to addiction. Addiction. Addiction in such a way that people that are used to social network can't get away from that. So it causes them to start feeling and etc. People are no more concentrated and the rest. Okay. Explain the following errors that rises during programming. Syntax error. Syntax error is basically an error due to incorrect programming abilities, which means the programmer did not write the code correctly. Um, Runtime error. Runtime error is an error due to actually before a program is run, it's compiled. Now before compiling, the program is pre. Let's say yeah, your program was written. When the completion went, it was correct, and the program opened and the interface opened, and now the program was supposed to run, but there's now a pre-check again, a pre-compilation before the program runs, and during that time the program is already running. Therefore, but during the pre-check, now the system realized that the program cannot be executed. Therefore, you have a runtime error. Logical error. Logical error just simply occurs when a program does not do what it was supposed to do. Oh, well, at the end of this video, I said I would do my best to do this question 6. I said I would do it. It's not a problem to me. But actually, I was trying to to explain it better. But as I was saying, as I said earlier, for more GC questions, just visit our website, Camon GC website. For more videos, because we'll be loading more videos time and again. And please subscribe, comment anything you do not like in the video, and we will do our best to correct. And if any definition you are not okay, comment, we'll do it. And please stay safe. Bye.